In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions on Wix. If you sell ongoing products like monthly grocery boxes, coffee subscriptions, beauty boxes, or refill items, recurring payments can save time and build loyal, predictable revenue. We'll keep things straightforward so you can turn on subscriptions quickly and confidently. First, open your Wix dashboard. From the main menu, go to Products. This is where all your store items live and where you'll create or update what you want to sell on a recurring basis. Click New Product to start from scratch. If you already have a product you want to convert into a subscription, simply open that product instead. The next steps are identical either way. While you're here, give your item a clear title and description so subscribers know exactly what they're getting and how often they'll receive it. Add compelling photos that showcase what's included. A concise, benefit-focused description helps shoppers feel confident about signing up. Now let's enable the subscription option. In the product editor, scroll to the pricing section. Choose Sell as Subscription to turn on recurring billing for this product. Next, select how often customers should be charged, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Match the frequency to what you can reliably fulfill and what your audience expects. Weekly often fits fresh goods, monthly is great for curated boxes and consumables, and yearly can work for memberships or long-term refills. Set the price for the interval you selected. The amount you enter is what customers will be billed each cycle. Be transparent in your product description about what's included in every renewal and whether contents vary from one shipment to the next. Clarity here reduces support questions and increases trust. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your product is now configured to accept subscriptions, and customers will be charged automatically based on the schedule you chose. On the product page and at checkout, shoppers will see that this is a recurring purchase, which helps set the right expectations before they commit. If you need to adjust the frequency or change the price later, return to the same pricing area and update it. New subscribers will follow your latest settings. For a smoother customer experience, consider adding a brief note or mini FAQ in your product description explaining the renewal cadence, where to manage a subscription, and how cancellations work according to your store policies. If you run promotional or introductory pricing, label it clearly as a per cycle amount so subscribers understand what renews. To recap, open your Wix dashboard, go to Products, create or open a product, enable Sell as Subscription in the pricing section, choose weekly, monthly, or yearly billing, set your price, and save. With that done, you're ready to start selling subscriptions on Wix and building reliable, recurring revenue.